Hi, this is Pam from Hooked on Sewing. In this video tutorial, I'd like to show you how to change a rotary cutter blade in the Missouri Star Quilt Company 45mm rotary cutter. Now I'm using their 10 unique Sassy Sayings rotary blades, but you can use any 45mm rotary blade. I will leave a link to those below in the description. Now take the rotary cutter and hold it in your non-dominant hand. Make sure you have the blade cover closed and that you hold your pointer finger over the screw so that it doesn't fall out. You remove the nut counterclockwise, set it aside, pull out the screw, and then you can safely remove the blade. I like to take my old blades and store them in a container, and once I have that filled, I'll throw it away. Then remove any lint that you might see in your rotary cutter. You can use a soft cloth, a paper towel, or even a dry paintbrush. Replace, replace the rotary blade, insert the screw, hold that in so it doesn't fall out, rotate it over, and then clockwise turn the nut onto the screw until it's finger tight. And that's all there is to replacing a blade on the Missouri Star 45mm rotary cutter. This will also work on their 28 and their 60mm rotary cutters. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please come visit me over on the Hooked on Sewing blog and subscribe to my newsletter. Thank you.